This is a product review of the PowerBlock convertible dumbbells. They are so convenient for a super small space when you don't have a ton of room for lots and lots of dumbbells. They go from 5 pounds to up to, the set that I have right now goes up to 50 pounds. You can extend them all the way up to 90 pounds. They make it so quick and easy to move between exercises when you might be using different weights of dumbbells. So you can really kind of move through and switch that weight really quickly. This set in particular is very, very durable. A lot of the convertible dumbbells I've seen, they're made of a lot of plastic. And this particular set, the weight plates are actually metal, so they stand up to a lot. They're also very comfortable to use. So when you pick that up and you have your hand in there, there's foam on both sides of it. You don't have to worry about like hitting your wrist, getting a bruise or anything like that. So they happen to be really, really comfortable too. I discovered this brand 2-3 years ago. I knew about them and didn't really have a need for them. And then COVID hit and I decided to open up my own personal training studio. It was a small space, so I needed things that didn't take up a lot of room. I would recommend these dumbbells for anybody who's getting their at-home gym started.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.